clouds. As they are very rare, so there is only one place in the world where they can be and that place is the Gulf of Carpentaria, the Blood Rain. Blood Rain, or Red Rain, the Great Blue Hole. For 15,000 years ago, this site was made famous by a diver named Jacques Cousteau, who investigations by his team confirmed the bright red lake Natron. Natron can hit 140 degrees Fahrenheit due to a nearby. The Sailing Stones. The Eternal Flame Falls, hiding a big surprise, a chute of fire about 8 inches tall. Known famous